X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Power Up. Powering up the system. With the handle closest to you, on the left side of the console is the input-output connections area. Plug the male pins into the female plug port. Carefully align the 4 pins prior to entry. Next, plug the cord into the AC-DC power adapter. And the power plug should be plugged. On the control panel, the upper left corner has an orange-colored power button. To turn on the system, press this button. The button will switch to green. It takes about 1 minute to boot the system. The system also has sleep mode. From the sleep mode, the system wakes up in 15 seconds. Press the power button and a message pops up. Using the trackball, set on sleep mode. In sleep mode, sleep indicator turns orange. When reboot the system, press power button.